Mom loves watching cartoons with the kids. Nothing can get in the way of family time. Well, almost nothing. Oh no, honey, your lollipop got so dusty. You can't eat that. It's too unsanitary. Mom can use this nice life hack. The yolk from a Kinder Surprise will do just fine. In this package, the lollipop will be safe and sound. It's time to try out Mom's invention. Much better. Honey, you have to eat fruit. They are full of vitamins. But I do not want to, Mom. So what am I supposed to do? Bingo! Why didn't I think of it before? For fruit jelly, we dilute the gelatin with water and then we mix it thoroughly. Now it's time to add the fruit juice. Use a poppet as a mold for the future jelly. Put it in the fridge until it sets.
Yeah.
Daddy loves Italian food. What can't be said for his son? Pasta again. I don't feel like it at all. Keep calm. What if ordinary pasta can become magic? The secret ingredient is food coloring. Wow! Magic outside of Hogwarts. Colored spaghetti are so yummy. I think we did it. The parents now know how to find an approach to any food. The battle for the TV remote control is in full swing. The daughter wants to watch her favorite cartoons, and her brother obviously doesn't like it. That's not fair. Let's watch Tom and Jerry. I don't want to. Uh-oh. It looks like there's a real fight brewing here. Parents are already rushing to help. We must find a compromise as soon as possible. Oh, the clock life hack. What are you up to? I'll show you. Let's divide the clock face into sectors, pink and blue. It looks like the kids can't wait to see what Mom came up with. I think I got the idea. Blue is the brothers' cartoon time and pink is the sisters. That's it. It's all fair. Deal. So excited to watch a cartoon over tea and goodies. Except the phone keeps falling down. Wow, what are you doing here? The phone doesn't want to hold at all. Help me, Daddy. It looks like the cup is an unreliable support. Let me see. I don't have any ideas. And Mom, as always, has some thoughts on that. Using a stencil and a 3D pen, we draw the outline of the dinosaurs. Then connect the contours with lines and paint the whole figure green. Isn't it so cute? Draw the eyes. Oops! And the cute stand is ready. Now the girl can watch her favorite Troom channels. And the parents will be happy to keep her company. Mom called for lunch, which means it's time to wash your hands. The baby can barely handle the awkward dispenser. Mom doesn't forget the rules of hygiene either. Oh no, there's soap all over the sink again. But wait, Mom's got a great life hack. A rubber band will fix the situation. Everything genius is simple. And of course, do not forget about disinfection. Except the son doesn't listen to his mother. Well, what do you say to that? Superhero monster eliminator. Not a single germ will get through. Our young hero is on guard of cleanliness. Not a minute to lose. All parents know how hard it is to tear a child away from the screen. Can we go drink tea? I'm watching Troom cartoons. But you can put them on pause, right? No. How about you do it for me? Nope. Yes, it's not an easy task, but Mom can handle it. Distraction life hack. We put a glass cover on the drawer. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's add light effects. I wonder what Mom is doing there. Almost done. The finishing touch. Colored sand. Curiosity seems to have taken its toll. And what is this? You'll find out. We'll draw with sand on the glass. Pour the sand on the illuminated table. How beautiful. And now we can start drawing. You are the best mom in the world. The light from the garland shines through the sand drawing. It's breathtaking. It's always more fun to draw with someone. Looks like the mission has been accomplished. There's a little hurricane wreaking havoc in the kitchen. This boy has endless energy. Yahoo! Whoops! My leg! What happened, son? Did you fall? What do we do now? I can't handle this without Mom here. Honey, it happened again. It's not a floor, it's a skating rink. Mom has a plan. All it takes is a pair of baby socks. We take some hot melt glue and make a pattern on the soles. Done! Now we are not afraid of a slippery floor. Great, son, but be more careful. The latest episode of Zombie Apocalypse is so interesting. You just can't stop watching it. I see someone's taken over my laptop. Huh? No way! It's a real bread disaster. What was it they taught me? Wait a minute. That's what I need, buddy. But not as an anti-stress. The slime gets all the crumbs out of the hardest to reach places. Daddy, can I try one? Cool. Anytime, son. Nom nom. Collaborative painting is in full swing. Just look, our kids are drawing. They are so clever, and they are trying so hard. Psst. Sis, how about we draw on the wall? Hey, where are the kids? No! I'll draw a butterfly and Gio draw a flower. Stop it immediately! You can't draw on the walls unless it's special wallpaper for drawing. Installing the rail with a roll on the wall. It's easy! Kids, everybody over here! Now it's even more fun to paint. Let's go play with the cars, sis! The finished drawing can easily be cut off, and the blank canvas is ready for new creativity. And why do boys scatter their cars everywhere? How did this one get here? They say genius ideas come in the most unexpected places. An ordinary sleeve and brightly colored duct tape turn into a roomy fleet of cars. Wow! Now this is cool! Each car has its own private garage. It's time to race off-road. Whoosh! Whoosh! No doubt about it. We're looking at the future artist. Just look at that expression. Except Daddy doesn't seem to like it at all. That's my oak table. But there's no limit to the inspiration. Wow! Why is it so slippery in here? Daughter, what have you done here? We need to get Daddy's support right away. Don't panic, honey. I can fix this. A zip bag plus gouache paint equals happy parents. Pour the paint into the bag and close it securely. And now for the fun part. Here's your new palette, honey. You can draw on it with your fingers. Wow! What fancy patterns! But that's not all. You can choose any colors you want. Daughter seems to like her father's coloring a lot. Honey, you are a genius. Room pillow fights are commonplace for siblings. Mom is shocked. The whole place is such a mess. And how do we clean it all up? SOS! Calling Daddy for help. What's wrong, honey? Wow! Was there a hurricane? Kids, you need to clean up after yourselves. No way! In that case, I've got a fun game for you. Fill these buckets. Place the toys according to the pictures. Whoever does it first wins. Ready, steady, go! The clean up your room as fast as you can challenge has begun. This is the most useful life hack of all. Look how clean it is. You guys did a great job. So, how about some ice cream?